fighting each other, hate others, help others, shouting at each other, find the odd one. Is it fighting each other? Is it hate others? Is it help others? Or is it shouting at each other? It is help others. Because help others is a good behavior. We should always help others. But fighting, hating others, and shouting at each other are bad behaviors. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Walk on the footpath. Stop at red signal. Play on the road. Find the odd one. Is it cross the road at zebra crossing? Is it walk on the footpath? Is it stop at red signal? Or is it play on the road? It is play on the road. Because playing on the road is not safe for us. But crossing the road at zebra crossing, walking on the footpath, and stop at red signal are always safe for us. Using bin. Wasting food. Spitting anywhere. Digging nose. Find the odd one. Is it using bin? Is it wasting food? Is it spitting anywhere? Or is it digging nose? It is using bin. Because using bin is a good habit. But wasting food, spitting anywhere, and digging nose are bad habits. Jump or run on the stairs. Playing with dolls. Playing with sharp things. Playing with fire. Find the odd one. Is it jump or run on the stairs? Is it playing with the dolls? Is it playing with the sharp things? Or is it playing with the fire? It is playing with the dolls. Because playing with the dolls is safe for us. But jump or run on the stairs, playing with the sharp things, and playing with the fire are not safe for us. Brushing teeth. Bathing daily. Combing hair. Biting nails. Find the odd one. Is it brushing teeth? Is it bathing daily? Is it combing hair? Or is it biting nails? It is biting nails. Because biting nails is a bad habit. But brushing teeth, bathing daily, and combing hair are good habits.